Welcome to the maiFi wall mount mailbox installation video. Please like and subscribe to stay up on added value, new functionality, and new products. Begin by prepping the mailbox and the maiFi devices with the provided alcohol swab. It's best to start with an oil and dust-free surface. maiFi comes with many different sized adhesive strips for different installation applications. Remove the backing from the small adhesive strip and attach to the magnetic side of the maiFi. Remove the other side of the backing strip. Notice the marking that shows the upside. Install the device into the mailbox in a position where it won't be damaged by mail. Now I'm going to go back and use the alcohol wipe like I should have at the beginning of this video. I'm going to clean all the surfaces, including the surfaces on the maiFi devices. Use a clean cloth to remove all excess alcohol, or your shirt. Use the large adhesive strip and remove one side of the strip. If you're having difficulty, remove both sides of the strip. But try not to get the pieces stuck to each other. They're very difficult to get apart. Also, try not to get fingerprints on the adhesive strips. Next, install it in the box. You should have already pre-installed the pieces and know approximately where to put them. Now I'm going to install a camera inside of the mailbox. This will allow us to see the opening and closing of the box, the distance the pieces are separated, and what the indication looks like. Notice when I close the door, the pieces are separated, yet the indicator light still illuminates. This will send the notification to our phone and to our smart device. Thanks for watching. Please contact me at jason@alidi.com with any questions or feedback. Please like and subscribe. We'll be launching new functions shortly. Thank you.